This world has been mean to me, it hasn't been feeling me. Ever since tragedy struck, I have felt so out of luck. Now that I'm here ready to put fear into fools that drink beer and strike fear into the ears of parents who don't care about the awesome music and the deadly influence. With the music it has lowered violence, increased parties and wildness, healed the blindness, put knowledge into the mindless, screw up the crime list. Facing fits, have to slip the wrist to catch this. The madness has the balance of no tragics. The statistics show that music has brought people back to life, yo. More dubs instead of black clothes. Now you know. I wanna kill every mean person. They started cursing, putting black magic on my turf. I'm not your average smurf. I spit lyrics to the verse. Skrillex got the chorus. I spit lyrics to put you into a hearse and didn't use a curse. Ask yourself what could be worse, killing everybody or not being heard in the universe. This beat should quench your thirst. These lyrics should make you converse and leave your comment in the box. You will say I suck, I'll tell you to kick rocks and eat your socks. Cause if I kill everybody, this will have a huge outline of chalk. And I'll be the dead man ready to walk. You'll be kinda lonely with no girls to stop. I would just leave some people alive. Just mean people gotta die. And that's not a whole lot, because people become mean on the spot. Their feelings change and whatnot. I can't have everybody rot. It would smell worse than pot. If I kill 2 people, that's already a lot. Because we have a small population compared to the grains and sand of rock. Plus we're the most obnoxious and we always get in the way. And as human beings we don't even want to listen to what other human beings have to say. Sad face, tragic taste, dead man Dan, surviving this nuclear waste, bumping my head to the steady bass. I want to pull up my scythe and kill losers that told me I couldn't make it. Look where I am and they can't take it. Face it, you're wasted, I own you, you're basic. Your life compared to mine, I aced it. I'll kill you so you can erase it. You can't even trace it. This beat is like a rapist. It took what it wanted, you sat there and let it happen. Killing people on the track as I'm rapping. I feel powerful to know I have the music in my hand, the mic in my head, and the music in my plans.